So you've opened your Sigenergy app, there's no data showing, the system showing is offline. What do? I'm Ziad from Lenergy, and I'm going to show you how to reconnect your Sigenergy SigenStor battery system back to Wi-Fi. So there could be a few reasons as to why your system has dropped offline. The most common causes are you've changed your Wi-Fi password or name, or replaced your Wi-Fi router. So it's important to know that while your system's offline, it's still actually working, it's just not uploading data to the app. You'll notice that the 12 o'clock light on the battery is not lit up green. This indicates that the system does not have an active internet connection. The first step is to remove this top plastic cover on the inverter. The easiest way to do it is to get your fingers in the groove like this, palms on the front of the inverter, and pull towards you like so. The next step is to remove the right-hand side top plastic cover. Now there's two methods to do this. The first method is pull it straight up, quite firmly and sharply, like so. You can use something like a screwdriver, butter knife, anything that can get in this gap, and pry it upwards like so. Okay, now we can actually start the Wi-Fi reconnection process. The first step is to open the mySigen app. Now on the bottom, there'll be an option for settings. Once you select settings, navigate to the local connection option. And once you navigate there, scan the QR code on the battery, making sure to scan this larger top QR code and not this smaller lower one. It's now going to show us all available networks. We'll tap on our home network, enter the Wi-Fi password, and tap join. This can take a few seconds to connect. Now it's successfully connected, we'll tap finished. Now after a few minutes, the system should show as online in the app. So sometimes you may get an error saying that your phone has failed to connect to the battery system's hotspot. If this occurs, all we need to do is shut power off and back on to the battery system to get around this issue. The first step to power cycling the battery is to turn off the AC grid supply. The inverter AC isolator, if present, will look similar to this. If you don't have an inverter AC isolator present, open the gateway, locate the battery system circuit breaker, which should be labeled inverter 1, 2, or 3. Locate that circuit breaker and turn it off. Next, we need to remove the plastic covers on the left-hand side of the inverter. They simply just lift up. Now we need to locate the PV array DC isolator or the DC switch. It's quite stiff, but it'll move into the off position. If it's already off, that's okay, it can stay off. Next, we need to find the red on-off switch and hold that in for 3 seconds. After that, the system will fully shut down. You will now notice all the lights on the front of the inverter have shut off. This indicates the system has fully shut down. Now we need to turn the system back on. It's simply reversing what we just did. We're going to press and hold the red button in for 3 seconds. Next, we're going to turn the DC switch back on. Lastly, we need to turn the battery system circuit breaker or AC isolator back on. Now that you've restarted the system, wait 1 minute and try the Wi-Fi reconnection process again. Now, very last, we put all the plastic covers back on the inverter. So we'll start with the right-hand side cover. These plastic forks locate on these metal screw heads. It locates on like so and pushes down. The left-hand side cover is the same as the right. These plastic forks here locate on the metal screw heads here. This second left-hand side cover is much the same again, locates into position like so. For the top cover, these plastic forks locate onto the metal screw heads. So sit the plastic cover on top, sit forward a bit, and then push the plastic cover to the rear. That concludes our Sigenergy SigenStor Wi-Fi reconnection video. If you are unsure or get stuck on any of these steps, feel free to give our customer support a call.